Thanks for yielding, and thanks for having a sense of humor on this day, but it is an important day. It's important legislation that we're marking up. And briefly, I would like to highlight two of the bills before us today. First, H.R. 7667, the user fee reauthorization, which addresses safe and prompt approval of new drugs, biologics, generics, and biosimilars that are critical to health of all of our constituents. Reauthorizing these agreements before us today on time will be critical as we seek to continue the innovation that we have seen in this space, innovation that Americans have come to expect, innovation that leads to cures. To that end, I would like to thank the committee leadership for including H.R. 6988, the Drug Manufacturing Innovation Act, which builds on the FDA's Emerging Technology Program, which seeks to speed the approval of drugs made using novel manufacturing technologies by providing more regulatory certainty for the drug sponsors. The use of these new technologies will ultimately lower costs for patients and address future supply chain issues. I would also like to thank Representative Levin for working with me on this issue. Second, I would like to commend both Chair Pallone and Ranking Member McMorris-Rodgers for H.R. 7666, the Restoring Hope for Mental Health and Wellbeing Act, which is truly comprehensive medicine and a comprehensive package that will reauthorize key programs at the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration and the HSA. This bill will begin to get at the mental health crisis that was created in many American communities due to the response to COVID-19 during lockdowns and unnecessary prolonged school closures. Children and pediatric populations have been particularly impacted by this crisis, and I thank committee for including H.R. 7248, the Controlling Systems of Care for Children Act, which I introduced with Representative Sarbanes, that will reauthorize two crucial programs. One, aimed at providing children and their families better access to mental health care, support services, and to expand comprehensive treatment and recovery services. I look forward to the committee moving these bills forward and continuing to work next week at our full committee meeting. And with that, I yield back, Madam Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Joyce.